like the other planets, it has a tilted angle here. So that's why at that time we do not consider this one this Ceres a planet, but an asteroid. And then we come to Pluto, which was found about 200 years later. So Pluto, in the 1930s, is found a rock and ice planet. It has a methane atmosphere, which makes it shiny, but it's really far away, and it was found since the scientists have realized there is an issue with the prediction of Neptune orbits, and they predict Pluto way before it was found. So Pluto is the name of a planet that it is predicted before it was found, since its gravitational has pulled Neptune out of its predicted orbit. So Pluto lies around the Kuiper belt, which was farther away from Neptune, about this side here. Here's the orbit of Neptune. And you can see Pluto also has the same characteristic of Ceres, with orbits that have tilted from the heliplane. But at that time, Pluto has a very big size and mass that we actually consider this a planet. And a fun fact about Pluto, scientists say that its atmosphere is going to be destroyed in 2013 because it was too far away from the sun, and the methane on its surface is going to be freeze, and then it's going to evaporate and escape from its atmosphere. And in 2013, it's going to be completely collapsed and destroy the atmosphere, not the planet. Pluto had a moon, which roughly half of its size, and since too large, the center of gravity actually lies outside of Pluto, which makes it similar to a binary system rather than a moon, which is really fun fact about Charon and Pluto. And this is when the definition of a dwarf planet started to bring up on the scientists' mind. In 2005, Eris was found, and at that time it was considered a 10 planet. But then the question states that if anything found in the Kuiper belt, it's round and it has an orbit around the sun, considered a planet, it would make the solar system, have many more planets inside this belt. So Eris is further away than Pluto. It's actually like around the scattered disk, which was really outside of the Pluto orbit. And it had a very elliptic orbit right here. And the orbit was tilted about 45 degrees. And the discovery of Eris started that question that I just stated. And then in 2006, which was 18 years to this day, the International Astronomical Union decided that Pluto and Eris will not be considered a planet and would be demoted down to dwarf planet, which makes Ceres, an asteroid, promoted into a dwarf planet. Here, we can see the picture of Eris here with its moon. And later on, two other dwarf planets was found, which made its name Hilma right here. So this is the second largest object in the Kuiper belt, smaller than Pluto, and this guy spins so fast that has become an egg, not a planet anymore. You can see the view of the other two different dwarf planets here. And this guy actually had a ring, was discovered like 2 years ago. And because it spins so fast that its ring started to form around the plane of spin. Okay. So now we come to the part of what defines a planet and what not, what to define those dwarf planets. So these are the three criteria that the Union to define a planet. First, we have to orbit the sun, not another planet, which make it a moon. The second is you have to have enough gravity to have a round shape. And the third one is an object, and that object can clear its orbit. So Pluto, why have roughly the same size as our moon and roughly the same size as Mercury, it's the sort of size is not what is the matter that Pluto was not considered a planet. It was the third criteria that is Pluto does not clear its orbit since it's lying inside the Kuiper belt. So the answer for our question is the size does not matter, but it is the fact that its orbit is not clear yet.